Welcome to our quick guide on removing someone from your favorites on Instagram. If you're curating who you keep close tabs on, this is a simple 3-step process you can do in under a minute. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in, head to the profile of the account you want to adjust. You can find them by tapping the magnifying glass to search or by locating them in your feed and tapping their profile picture. Next, look for the following button beneath their bio. It's the button that shows you're connected in some way, whether you're following them or they're following you. Tap that button to open the follow options. You'll see a few choices appear, including any current status indicators like following or muted. From the list of options, choose remove from favorites. This will take them out of your favorites list, which helps keep your feed and notifications focused on the accounts you're most interested in tracking. There's no confirmation message that requires a long process. Just a single tap and they're out of your favorites. If you ever want to re-add someone to your favorites, you can return to their profile, tap following again, and select add to favorites. The process is designed to be quick and flexible so you can fine-tune your list as your interests change. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Favorites are a personal collection meant to help you prioritize certain accounts. They don't change your overall following status, and people won't be notified when you remove or add them to favorites. You can manage multiple profiles if you run more than one account, applying the same steps across each one. And if you're ever unsure about a step, revisit the account's profile and confirm the button you're tapping is the following or favorite control. That's all there is to it. 3 simple taps to keep your Instagram experience tailored to what matters most to you. If you've got other features you want to master, drop a comment and I'll walk you through them in a future video.